This girl is out and about with us. Rain is not available. I will sell my chocolate Tri Boy for $3 grand, but Rain is staying with the program. She was the only female out of the litter, and I can't let her go, so I'm gonna hold on to her. She's staying. I'm keeping her. Right now, she's doing off-leash training with us. It's not much to train a puppy to do off-leash training. You just want them to stick by you, not run away, and come when called. And that's pretty much what we're doing. And she does it naturally, so it's not hard at all to train them to do that. Yeah, but we out here. We about to eat. Me and my daughter comes outside every once in a while and eat when it's nice out.
This girl won't give me the ball.
But we got her, so we wanted to make sure she used the bathroom. She is a pretty pup, y'all. Ghost Merle. She's a Ghost Merle, though. You was good for falling. This girl's the klutz. I can't, yo. She falls so much she don't even get embarrassed by it. It's just normal to her now. Hopefully she grows out of it. Run, Forrest, run. She coming. She said, "Psych a Mike." Look at this girl. 3 months old. What? Come on. Rain. Good girl. Rain. Good girl. This girl will be getting her ears stung soon. I was stuck between if I was going to get rid of her or not. keep calling this girl a ghost try anymore. Like, her try markers are really coming in. Really good. She's just a blue try now. Like, her try markings is popping so well. She is a beautiful pup.
I said, don't be so rude.
She can jump. If she jumped, then she'll be good. This rock is small enough for her to jump. Don't play on that one. Come on. We just out and about and doing our thing. That's it. I don't know if this would be the end of the video, but if so, please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified for when I post more videos. And I got 2 male pups available, y'all. So if interested, hit me up. The chocolate try won't be available for long, but the blue ghost try is still available. $2,000 for him with papers, $1,000 without papers. And that's where we're at right now. Much love.